Hello Elite owners, this is Will and I'm a product concierge here at Mercedes-Benz of Walnut Creek. Today I'm going to be showing you how to preset your liftgate height. So first things first, you're going to go ahead and open up the trunk. So as it's opening up, you're going to see right here on the right hand side, you're going to have two different buttons. You're going to have the close your liftgate and then your lock feature. So in order to set your height, go ahead and let it set until you get a desired height. You're going to press and hold this button until you hear a beep. And then after that, that is going to be setting your height. Now, if you wanted to delete that set at height, press and hold the same button, wait till you hear two beeps, and then it is deleted. Go ahead and close the liftgate, and that is how you set it. I hope this was helpful for you.